Nais ni Senador Win Gatchalian na gawing dalawang flavor na lang ang mabibiling vape sa merkado. Ito po ay para maiwasang maengganyo ang mga kabataan na gumamit ng vape dahil sa iba't iba nitong flavor. Saksi, si Mav Gonzalez.
Chicken, waffle at durian. Ilan lang yan sa mahigit 15,000 flavor ng vape na pinapaalis ni Senador Win Gatchalian dahil nakakasama raw sa kalusugan, lalo na sa kabataan na pinaka-naeengganyo rito.
In the Philippines, from what we know, there are already more than 7,000 flavors in the country. Therefore, all of these flavors are really enticing our young to start into the vaping addiction. We are calling it an addiction because almost all these vapes contain nicotine. It will be very seldom na makakakita kayo ng walang nicotine.
Sabi ni Gatchalian, may opinion na ang Department of Justice na dalawa lang dapat ang flavor ng vape, menthol at original tobacco.
Wala ng orange, wala ng strawberry, wala ng bubble gum, wala ng... pero makikita natin, meron pa ngayon, no?
We looked into the deliberations of the bicameral committee on this. And it's contrary to the DOJ opinion. Also, there's a Supreme Court decision stating that DOJ opinion is still an opinion and not controlling.
Kung kalusugan ang prioridad ng gobyerno, dapat ipatupad ang dalawang flavor sa vape.
What we are trying to arrest right now is the increase of use of vape products among the young. We urge the DTI to comply with this DOJ opinion.
We will revert, Mr. Chair, to the committee on the DTI position on the DOJ opinion.
Dapat wala ng report, dapat comply na.
Base sa pag-aaral ng Food and Nutrition Research Institute o FNRI, mula 3.2% noong 2018, sumipa na sa halos 40% ang adolescents na gumagamit ng vape noong 2023. Ang masama pa raw, maraming vape sa merkado ang illegal o smuggled.
We don't know what is the contents. Hindi natin alam kung anong talagang laman niya. No? So in other words, at 40%, we don't know what they are smoking.
Because of the unregulated use of these vape products. And then, of course, with the flavors, the different flavors that are being available in the market. And the very extensive marketing that they're doing. And then, so because of this, we're seeing a shift of the prevalence of smoking using vapes.
Pahirapan pa umano ang paghuli sa mga illegal na vape dahil sa bahay-bahay na raw ito ibinibenta.
Recently, the BIR seized 81,000 illicit vape products, unregistered, unpaid, and taxes in a night raid sa isang bahay being used as a warehouse. So ganun na ho kalala, kaya ho hirap na hirap din ho ang government agency, lalo na ho yung BIR na hindi naman traditionally nag-i-enforce.
Kaya isa sa nakikitang solusyon ng ilang stakeholders para hindi na dumami pa ang gumagamit ng vape products, taasan ang buwi sa tobacco at vape. Pero giit ng Senate Committee on Ways and Means,
our findings during the 3 hearings is that the solution to curb illicit trade will not come from reduction of taxes. That is our finding. It will come from strengthening our enforcement.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Mav Gonzalez ang inyong saksi.
Mga kapuso, maging una sa saksi. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang balita.